Heavy rain hits Shijiazhuang, Hebei province, causing the road was seriously flooded and many sections of the main urban area were cut off. The maximum rainfall in the main urban area of Shijiazhuang was 94 mm in the Martyrs Cemetery, and the maximum hourly rainfall was 62.6 mm. There is also flooding at the intersection of Zhengzhou Street and Huaxin Road. Due to serious water accumulation in the section of the bridge area, the water poured down from the bridge, and the section under the bridge became a water curtain hole in seconds. The video posted on the social media showed many cars on the section under the bridge stopped, forming a long queue. Another video shows that in front of the Donghao seafood market in Shijiazhuang, many cars were soaked and floated in the water. Traffic on several sections of the road was affected by the rain, and as of that time, 6 sections were still recovering. At present, the rain is stopped and accumulated water is receding. Heavy rainfall will be concentrated in Heilongjiang and Shandong in the next few days.